Good day everyone, especially to our professor in this subject, EM217, Management of Instructional Technology, Dr. Claire Macabalang, Chapter 2, Advantages and Disadvantages of Instructional Technology. I am Roger BQ de la Cruz and the assigned topic to me is about disadvantages of instructional technology. Technology. Technology is the application of conceptual knowledge to achieve practical goals, especially in a reproducible way. The word technology can also mean the products resulting from such efforts, including both tangible tools such as utensils or machines, and intangible ones such as software. In other words, technology is the study of specific knowledge to develop tools and procedures. It has the potential to transform the world by making practically every aspect of our lives more efficient. Instructional technology is the theory and practice of using technology for education, encompassing the design, development, use, management, and evaluation of technology in education. Instructional technology can take many forms. Disadvantages of instructional technology. Cost. Implementing technology in the classroom can be expensive, requiring schools to invest in devices, software, and training for teachers. One of the key disadvantages of instructional technology is the potential high costs associated with its implementation and maintenance. Beyond the direct costs, there are also indirect expenses to consider. For example, the time and resources required to train educators and staff to effectively integrate instructional technology into their teaching practices can be significant. This financial burden may be especially challenging for educational institutions or organizations with limited budgets, potentially leading to disparities in access to technology-based learning among different groups. Technical issues. Technology can sometimes be unreliable, leading to disruptions in learning when devices malfunction or internet connections fail. While instructional technology offers many benefits, it is important to address the technical issues that can arise to ensure its successful implementation in educational settings. It is essential to be aware of the technical issues that can arise to take proactive measures to address them by overcoming connectivity problems, software compatibility issues, hardware malfunctions, and security concerns. Educators can fully harness the power of instructional technology to enhance the learning experience for students. Security concerns. The use of technology raises concerns about data privacy and security, especially when it comes to storing and sharing student information online. While instructional technology offers numerous benefits for education, it is essential to recognize and address the security concerns associated with its use. By proactively identifying and mitigating risks, educational institutions can create a safer learning environment for students and educators alike. Digital divide. Not all students may have equal access to technology, creating a disparity in educational opportunities based on socioeconomic factors. The digital divide exacerbates the disadvantages of instructional technology by widening inequality in access to educational resources. This discrepancy in technology access based on socioeconomic factors creates a barrier to effective learning for disadvantaged students. The lack of access to high-quality technology tools and reliable internet connection hinders their ability to fully participate in online learning activities and utilize educational resources. By recognizing and addressing these disparities Educational institutions can work towards mitigating the disadvantages of instructional technology and fostering more inclusive learning environments for all students. Distraction. Technology can be a source of distraction for students, leading to reduced focus and engagement in the learning process if not carefully managed. It is the need for educators to implement strategies that mitigate distraction and promote deep learning. This can involve setting clear expectations around device use, incorporating interactive elements strategically to enhance rather than detract from learning, and promoting mindfulness practices to improve students' focus and concentration. The role of technology in education. Technology has completely changed the way we live. Technology has a role to play in everything we do today, right from doing our daily tasks, paying our bills, consuming entertainment, shopping, traveling, interacting with friends, etc. Education has been one of the most impacted fields. Over the last half a decade or so, technology has completely disrupted education. During COVID, we saw how the entire classroom moved online, not just classes, but the entire education structure, right from entrance exams, interviews, classes, assignments, cultural events, and even exams, all moved to digital platforms such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams. While there are challenges to overcome, such as digital divide and the need for digital literacy, the benefits of incorporating technology into education are undeniable. Embracing technology in education is not just a trend but a necessity to prepare us for success in a rapid evolving digital world. By harnessing the power of technology, we can create dynamic learning environments that empower and facilitate our journey towards academic excellence. Disadvantages of technology in education. Distractions. The good always comes with the bad. So is the case with the role of technology in education. Evolution in technology has created its own set of distractions. Obsession with being online, on social media, and the internet has led to children spending hours hooked onto a smartphone, browsing the internet, chatting with their friends on Messenger, making TikTok videos, or playing addictive video games. So they cannot finish their work or assignment and it will result to restless or sleepless. Affects interpersonal skills. Spending long hours on the internet or high screen time limits social interaction. Children today are so attached to the screen in their homes without much social interaction. This lack of social interaction limits the development of social interpersonal skills, interacting with your classmates on a Zoom call and interacting with them in a physical space are two very different experiences. Affects health. Technology addiction not only affects interpersonal skills but can also have undesired effects on physical and mental health. Children today are spending a large part of their day hooked onto their devices without much physical movement. Online video games have replaced outdoor sports. This leads to a largely sedentary lifestyle which is not good news for both physical and mental well-being. Limits peer learning. One of the key disadvantages of technology in education is the lack of peer learning. A significant amount of learning happens outside the classroom where students interact with their classmates, whether it is mutual clarification of doubts or learning life skills through teamwork and collaboration. Education through technology falls short of this very critical aspect. Limited practical learning. While technology has the capability of enhancing the quality of learning. It has its limitation in some cases. For example, can we learn how to swim online? Similarly, there are fields of learning that have a high degree of practical quotients involved, and this is where online learning is a limiting factor. Limited holistic development. During COVID, we saw a lot of social and cultural activities being creatively recreated online. However, there are limitations. Education is not just about what is taught in the classrooms. Education is also about participating in sports and other extracurricular activities. A technology intensive education limits engagement in such activities, hindering the holistic personality development of students. Weak evaluation methods. Students cheating during online exams was one of the biggest grouse teacher had during online classes. With students having access to the internet, online evaluations have become a challenge. Online evaluations also limit the ability of teachers to innovate with their evaluation methods. For example, a live project or experiment in a lab cannot be created online. Weak evaluation methods such as over-reliance on quantitative data, lack of long-term studies, reliance on self-reported data, and failure to consider contextual factors can hinder our understanding of the true disadvantages of technology in education. It is imperative to employ a more comprehensive and nuanced evaluation approach to ensure a more accurate assessment of the impact of technology on educational outcomes. Conclusion. By carefully considering and addressing the disadvantages of instructional technology, education stakeholders can harness the benefits of technology while mitigating potential drawbacks, ultimately leading to more effective and equitable educational experiences for all students. That's end my report. Thank you and God bless.